Okay, we're here today on Wednesday, May 19th, 2010, with 17-year-old track star.
5.
How old are you?
5.
52-year-old. How old?
5.
5-year-old track star Thomas the Maniac Stack, and he is here with his royal blue Yamaha PW50, and he's going to show all of you people watching how to ride. Are you ready, Maniac?
Yeah.
Do me a favor, start that puppy up. Show me how it's done. Flip over. Good. Let me see it. Oh! Now, can you ride it, Tom? You know how to ride it? Are you going to fall off it? Do you ever fall off it? Where's he going? Rip up Dad's lawn? Awesome. Wow! It's actually making the lawn look kind of nice. Look at this kid go! The Extreme Maniac! Here he comes on a flyby, ladies and gentlemen. Look out! In your face action! Whoa! Don't bite it. Woohoo! As his loving parents look on. Alright, bring it in. Shut it down. Shut it down, Tom. Oh, you can't get the Extreme Maniac to shut it down. Oh, I guess, yeah, you can. Woohoo! Oh, and drops.
Start it. Pick it up and start it. Bring it back here.
You gotta stop it on the concrete. The bike is heavier than he is, folks.
I'll come help you.
Oh. Be careful. Let Dad do it. He's trying, though. Oh. Uh-oh. That's the Extreme Maniac Senior, who thinks these days are behind him, but longs to ride again. Bring it over here. Let's do a post-race interview. Bring it over here and stop it. Is he gone off into the mouth of the earth? No, ladies and gentlemen. He will reappear again, a champion, once and for all. Woo! Oh. Foot down, good. Oh, all right, smart ass.
Coming by before standing up.
How does it feel? Are you too proud of your son?
Sure.
Wish I was good at something.
Show Nicky how you stand.
Yeah, stop it there. Oh, no, all right. Wait, oh. All right, Tom. How does it feel? How do you like the idea of the wind in your hair?
What?
How does it feel? Are you exhilarated from the ride?
No.
No?
Take the helmet off. Say hi to everybody.
Do you feel like a champion? Say goodbye.